Hi, I'm Colleen, and I am a patient of Dr. Colby's, and my husband, my son, and myself have been seeing Dr. Colby for a couple years now. My son has been seeing Dr. Colby since he was 4 months old. The adjustments work really well on him. He is hardly ever sick, which is very nice because kids get sick all the time throughout the year. That means my husband and I are sick a lot less. As he is nearly 3 years old now, he is very rough and tumble, constantly jumping around, and we do come to see Dr. Colby once a week, and the adjustments do very well for him. And for myself, constantly picking Matthew up is very strenuous sometimes on my back. Getting him in the car seat, leaning in to fasten the seat belts. I'm noticing that my back can definitely get tweaked out, so it's very comforting to come here and get that aligned and feel much better. My husband, when he originally started seeing Dr. Colby, he actually had trouble walking, and he had no feeling in one of his legs and one of his arms. He was trying to figure out what was wrong with him. He went to doctors. He even went to the dentist thinking that that may have had something to do with it. And he finally got a recommendation to see Dr. Colby. And within 1 week, I think he did 3 or 4 adjustments in a week, and he was feeling so much better. All the feeling came back in his arms and his legs, and he had no trouble walking. And after a couple months, he felt no pain at all in his lower back or his legs or his arms. It was very reassuring to know that there is a method to help you get better that doesn't require surgery or drugs. My father was an individual who needed to have 3 discs removed about 30 years ago, and about 10 years ago got another operation, and he was never the same after the first one, and he had to retire with disability after the second one. Surgery does not help you. You don't remove things that were put there for a reason. So I do highly recommend Dr. Colby's practice.